In this figure, we have a hexagon. Let's quickly name the vertices. This is vertex A. Let this be B, C, D, E, and F. Now let's quickly mark the internal angles. Let this be angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let this be 6. And it's time for the external angles. Let this be X, this be Y, Z, W, U, and let this be V. Now starting from this vertex A, from vertex A you can see that angle X plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees because of linear pair. It's linear pair, it forms 180 degrees. So X plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees, and from here you get angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees minus X. From vertex B you get Y plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees because of linear pair, and therefore angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus Y. Equation 1, equation 2. From vertex C you get Z plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. If you solve it, you get angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees minus Z. This is 3. From vertex D you get W plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees, and you get angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees minus W. 4. From vertex E you get U plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees is equal to angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees minus U. And from vertex F you get V plus angle 6 equal to 180 degrees, and this gives you angle 6 as 180 degrees minus V. This is 6th equation. Now tell me, what's the sum of the internal angles of the hexagon? It is equal to 720 degrees. Therefore we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 and plus angle 6, this is equal to 720 degrees, the sum of the internal angles. Now put the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 from here. So you get 180 degrees minus X. For 2 you get 180 degrees minus Y. Then for 3 you get 180 degrees minus Z. Then for 4 you get 180 degrees minus W. Then 5 is 180 degrees minus U, and then 6 is 180 degrees minus V. It is equal to 720 degrees. 180 plus 180 is 360, plus 180 is 540, plus 180 is 720, plus 180 is 900, and plus 180 is 1080. So this is 1080, and minus X minus Y minus Z minus W minus U and minus V is equal to 720 degrees. Now this can be written as 1080 minus outside the bracket, then plus X plus Y plus Z plus W plus U plus V, and this is equal to 720 degrees. If you transpose minus X plus Y plus Z plus W plus U plus V, this whole to the right hand side, and at the same time if you transpose 720 degree to the left hand side, this becomes 1080 degrees minus 720 degrees. This is equal to X plus Y plus Z plus W plus U plus V. So this gives you X plus Y plus Z plus W plus U plus V. This is equal to 360 degrees. So the sum of the external angles of the hexagon is equal to 360 degrees.